Today we're installing a 200 series seats in, which consists of a floor, a drawer and a 40 litre fridge slide. We've prepped the holes, the existing bolt holes down in through the floor, and before we start to do any more of the installation, we remove the headrest from the right hand rear seat. With a small screwdriver, there is a little slot in here. By pushing the screwdriver into the slot, the headrests slide out. We do this so that when the seat is in the up position, it doesn't contact the drawer and put a mark into the headrest. With the vehicle already prepped, we now position the floor into the vehicle. And we use a small Phillips head screwdriver to locate the bolting holes. A little bit of lubrication to bolt the floor into position. With all 4 bolts in position, now we tension them up. We use a cordless drill with a 10mm socket. You don't have to have that. This is a ratchet spinner. You can do exactly the same, and or you can turn around and use just a normal spanner and or a socket just to tighten everything up. Here we have a floor installed. Once the floor is installed and in position, we lift the pre-assembled drawer assembly chassis into position, align the holes here and here. With the drawer into position, once again align the bolting holes, small screwdriver Phillips, and start your bolts into the thread. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With all 4 bolts into position, once again we just tighten them down. Draw chassis in, then we can lift lead into position. And once again, start all your bolts and tighten them down. The drawer lid into position. As you can see, there's large roller bearings, 20 in total, that support the drawer inner to the drawer chassis. With everything bolted securely into position, we now lift the drawer centre into the drawer inner, making sure that our bump stop locks are in the up position. With the drawer into position, now we can install the 40 litre fridge slide. And once again, we align the 4 holes, start all the bolts and tighten. With the drawer, fridge slide into position, we now the drawer table sits nice and neatly in alongside the drawer, which enables you to position in the top of the drawer. So now you can operate from your fridge directly to a work area. One of the beauties of this system is, should you need to use one of the third row of seats or both third row of seats, you can take out the fridge slide and the drawer, enables you to use both seats, or I'll demonstrate how you can take out just the drawer and leave your fridge slide into position and use the one single seat on the right hand side. So, simple procedure. Remove your drawer centre. Once you've got the drawer centre removed, 4 bolts. Remove your drawer lid. Once the drawer lid is removed, it enables you to and the whole assembly lifts out, allowing you now to use your third row of seats. This unit can be mirror imaged, so the fridge is on the left hand side, right hand side as opposed to the left, and that enables the passengers to get out the passenger side of the vehicle as opposed to a lighting on the driver's side, which is the dangerous side of the vehicle. And there we have the 200 series seats in.